Kamyanets-Podilskyi is one of the oldest cities in Ukraine. It is a phenomenon of culture. Rocky Island is skirted by the tight loop of the river, flowing in a picturesque canyon. It was a unique pedestal on which over more than 10 centuries known and unknown masters created a miracle in the stone. Kamyanets-Podilskyi ranks the third place in Ukraine by the number of monuments. The city, which is considered to be a brilliant creation of nature, which perfectly combines the landscape and architecture. 7 nationalities put their hands to create a history, architecture, and culture of the city. At various times there lived Russians, Ukrainians, Turks, Tatars, Armenians, Jews, Lithuanians, and Poles, of course. Landscape of Kamyanets-Podilskyi is amazing. The bridge running Hind is the highest bridge over a canyon in Europe. Vertical cliffs of dizzying height on both sides of the river are close to the ring in ancient Kamyanets-Podilskyi. The greatest value of the city is completely preserved historic center without inclusions of 20th century architecture. Main attraction of the city is the ancient fortress, that is the first building which belongs to the 12th century. It is the main fortification, which belongs to the 17th century. Defensive fortifications of Kamyanets-Podilskyi are wonderful examples of the best fortifications of Eastern Europe. The old town is situated on the peninsula, surrounded by canyon at the bottom of the river Smotrich. The old town is connected with downtown by Novoplanovy Bridge. Steep rocky banks of the river canyon attract a lot of climbers to Kamyanets-Podilskyi. Of particular historical interest are Cathedral of the Holy Apostles Peter and Paul, Town Hall, Nevsky Cathedral in modern Byzantine style, and many other religious and secular buildings. There are Armenian, Jewish, Polish, and Russian neighborhoods with their own features in the architecture. Kamyanets-Podilskyi is one of the first tourist and festival centers in Ukraine and Europe. Every year, international festivals, competitions of ballooning, festival of historical reconstruction, and shooting movies are held here. Discover the city of a dream, Kamyanets-Podilskyi.